lows in the mid-40s. Friday, sun. Severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Wayne County in southeastern Missouri, northwestern Butler County in southeastern Missouri, until 7 p.m. At 6:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Williamsville, or 14 miles west of Lake Wapapalo State Park, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Hendrickson around 6:35 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Lake Wapapalo State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.